Hello dear students, this is Vifal Khade, your English teacher. Are you all fine? I hope so. Are you all serious about your studies? If so, then utilize most of your time in your studies, okay? Today in this class, we are going to study the third lesson from Unit 2 of your English book. Okay? Please look at the book. This is a poem written by Alan Fisher. Okay, this is a poem written by Alan Fisher. And the topic of the poem is after a bath. Okay, the topic of the poem is after a bath. Do you people take a bath every day? Do you take a bath every day? We should bath every day, okay, in order to keep ourselves healthy, neat and tidy. So it is very necessary to take a bath regularly, okay. So let us begin our lesson. Enjoy this poem. Read with me, okay? Follow me. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. So in this first stanza, the child says that after his bath, okay, he keeps trying to wipe himself, okay, till he is dry, till he makes himself dry. Second stanza, hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. So in the second stanza, he tells what parts of the body he has to dry, okay. He says that he wipes his hands, fingers and toes. He also dries his two wet legs and his nose. Let us see the last stanza. Just think how much less time I would take if I were a duck and could shake. What he says in the last stanza, in the third or last stanza, the little child asks us, okay, asks us means asks the reader to do some imagination. He says just think means we have to imagine, okay. He says that if you were a duck, then how much less time he would take to dry himself, okay, to wipe himself. He would just have to shake. He would just have to shake to make him dry, okay. Let me read it again. Let us read it again. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. Very short and simple poem written by Alan Fisher. In this poem, the child is talking about what he does after a bath, okay. The child is talking about what he does after a bath. He says that after his bath, he tries to dry himself. He tries to wipe himself. Okay, he tries to wipe himself till he is dry. He again says, he further says that he had hands, fingers, toes, isn't it? Two wet legs and a shiny nose to dry. He then asks us to imagine if he were a dog and how much less time he would take to dry himself. Okay, just by some shaking. Okay, he would just shake his body to make himself dry. Okay, we have now finished this poem. Poem consists of only 3 stanzas. Okay, so let us move forward. Let us see now new words. You need to learn few new words from this lesson. Okay, dog, D-O-G, dog. Dog, we have seen dog. Everyone of us has seen dog. Many of us keep the dog as pet at home, isn't it? Dog, D-O-G, dog. How, H-O-W, how. M-E-T, mate. M-E-T, mate. T-R-Y, try. T-W-O, two. Two means it's just a number. We have 2 eyes, we have 2 ears, isn't it? Dog, how, mate, try, to. These are new words from this lesson. Let us read. I try to save water. What do? I try to save water. I have 2 ears, 2 legs, 10 toes, and 1 nose. Let us go to another page. Here are some questions which we have to solve. Okay, we have to answer the questions. Let's talk. Do you like to have a bath? Say why. Asking to you, asking to me, asking to us. Do you like to have a bath? Say why. This question is for you. Okay, do you like to have a bath? Say why. Yes, I like to have a bath every day to keep myself healthy, neat and tidy. Can you bath yourself? Yes, I can bath myself. How do you dry yourself? How do you dry yourself? I dry myself after a bath by using a fresh towel. I use a towel to dry myself. Have you seen an animal drying itself? Yes, I have seen my pet dog drying itself by shaking off the excess water from its body whenever I bath it. Okay, I will give the answers in written form too. Okay, which will be easy and helpful for you to memorize. Let's share. Put a circle, okay, around what you do after a bath. You have to circle the appropriate sentence, the appropriate one. Okay, put a circle around what you do after a bath. What you do after a bath? Throw the wet towel on the floor or hang the wet towel to dry. When you use a towel to dry yourself, then what you will do with the towel? You will throw it on the floor or you hang it to dry. You have to hang the wet towel to dry. So the second one is the right answer. You have to circle it. Okay. Another one. Another task. Okay. Do you wear these things? Here are some things which you wear. Do you wear these things? Draw lines from the pictures to the word. You should match the following. Okay. You should match the name with the appropriate picture. Such as here you can see a picture of a pant, shoes, a pant, not pant, trousers. You can see the pictures of trousers, shoes, shirt, socks, cap, belts. Okay, and you can also find the name of these pictures here. Okay, but they are not in order. You have to match the names with the pictures. There are short, socks. Okay, short in number A. You have to match SHIRT, short, with the picture of short. Socks with the picture of socks. Caps with the picture of caps. Okay, trousers with the picture of trouser. Belt with the picture of belt. Likewise, shoes with the picture of shoes. Okay, it's easy, you can do it. Next page. Let us do match the following to make pairs. One has done for you. You need to make pairs. Okay, you need to make pairs. Okay, there you can see needle, bat, socks, shirt, ball on left side, and shoes, shorts, thread, spoon, ball on the another side or on the right side. You have to match the pairs. Needle is matching with thread. It has been done for you. It is an example for you. Okay. We use needle and thread together. Bat. What is the pair of bat? You know better. Bat with ball. Okay. Socks with shoes. Match short with what? Shorts. Bowl with spoon. Okay, it is too easy. Okay, it is too easy. Let us draw. Draw or stick a picture of yourself and your friend here. Then complete the sentences and say them aloud. My name is, my friend's name is. You have to paste the picture of yours as well as that of your friend. Either you have to paste the pictures or you can also draw your picture as well as a picture or the image of your friend, any of your best friend. Okay, and write your name, also write the name of your friends. Okay, next page, go to next page. Trace the path to the flowers. You need to trace the path. Okay, you can see dot dot dot. You have to trace the path to the flowers. Okay, the last phase of this chapter. Okay, learn to write. Learn to write small letter E and small letter F. Okay, you write over the dots. Okay, then trace over the waves and color the piece. Here you can see the picture of the outline of a fish. Just trace over the waves. Okay, and color the fish. Say aloud. Oh, okay. Learn to write. You have to learn to write E, F, U, B, W. Say aloud. A, B, C, D, E, F. You say aloud. A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Okay. Okay, my dear children, this much for today. I will provide you the written form of question and answer, which you have to memorize. I'm sure you enjoyed it. In the next class, we will start another chapter. Till then, bye bye.